Hey everyone, what's going on? Welcome to this video. In this video, we're going to talk about ClickBank and how you can make an extra $300 a day in the next 7 days. So before I start, let me actually talk about something really important. So if you're a subscriber of my YouTube channel, you know that I haven't posted any videos, haven't been posting any videos for the past like 3 weeks, and that's because we've been working on something really big, something important that I've mentioned before, Adversity's partner program. That's the affiliate program that we've been working on for a long time. That's the affiliate program that allows you to make those big commissions if you're into high ticket affiliate marketing, if you want to make big commissions as an affiliate. Yeah, so that's something we've been working on for a long time, and that's finally ready, by the way. If you're an Adversity member, you already know that I sent out emails to all our members. If you're not a member, I'm going to leave a link in the description. That's going to take you to the blog post where you can read more about it. And yeah, so it's really cool. You should definitely check it out. Awesome stuff. I'm going to make a video about it in the next couple of days. But I have more time because right now we're kind of in the middle of, you know, letting everyone in because there's a lot of members, so we have to kind of give access to everyone, so it's busy. All right, so let's get started. So in this video, I'm going to talk about ClickBank. And by the way, and one more thing before I start, I'm back to the normal schedule, so I'm going to be posting a video every day, or if not, a video every 2 days. So yeah. Anyway, so let's talk about this ClickBank strategy. Now, this is something that I've been testing in the past month. You know, like I have like I'm going to actually show you examples right now. I have three examples. I'm working on one right now. Like it's going to be my fourth one. So basically, this is a strategy that helps you to convert cold traffic to warm traffic. So in case if you don't know what's cold traffic is the type of traffic that doesn't know anything about you or your page or anything. They just kind of come out of nowhere. Let's say it's an advertising somewhere, you know, like Facebook advertising or Google advertising, YouTube advertising, anything. So it's the type of traffic that just kind of drops on your page out of nowhere. They don't know anything about you, your brand, your company, your name, anything. They just kind of visit your page because they saw your ad. Okay, that's cold traffic. Now, you know, a lot of people do traffic, you know, they try to get free or paid traffic, and what happens is that at the end of the day, they don't end up making any sales, and that's simply because they don't treat the traffic right. And in this ClickBank strategy that I'm going to show you, this is how we take cold traffic, one of the ways actually, that we take cold traffic and make it warm, so this way they actually end up buying the product from us. Okay, so I'm gonna kind of draw it here, and then I'm gonna take you to my computer to show you an example. And by the way, this is one of the strategies that you learn inside Gold Masterclass. I'm gonna leave a link in the description for that one too. That's gonna take you to the Gold Masterclass if you want to register to learn all these things in detail. Okay, so let's get started. So how this thing works. So in order for you to make this work, you know, sell a ClickBank product, you need to do pre-selling. Now, when you do pre-selling, means that you have to get people ready to buy your product. You can't just send people to your sales page. I mean, it's possible to get sales like that. I've talked about it before, but you have to kind of get your potential buyers ready to buy that product, and that's where pre-selling comes in. And another thing is, pre-selling is not that simple because it changes based on the situation, based on the traffic you're getting, based on the type of product you're selling. So there's a lot of variables going on here, right? So one of the simplest ways and best ways to actually do it is to have it in a two-step page. Now, the way this works, that the whole point is to get people to engage before you sell something. That's very important. You know, that's one of the biggest things that you should be doing, getting people to engage with your content, okay? Because that's how you convert cold traffic to warm traffic. You know, people who don't know anything about you to people who are kind of ready and interested to buy the product from your affiliate link. All right, so this is how it works. So what you do is you create a page. This is your page one, by the way. So this is where people land, you know, like from any traffic source that you might get, okay? We've talked about traffic all over my YouTube channel. And by the way, more details of the traffic, if you want to learn your free and paid traffic strategies, we have it inside Gold Masterclass. I'm going to leave a link in the description. So this is going to be the page one. This is where you give information and get them to engage with your content. So there's going to be a headline, and what you do is you're going to have a paragraph here. Okay, now this doesn't have to be too long. Okay, don't make it too long. You don't want to get people to read everything you write, because that's not possible, especially because it's a cold traffic. they're not gonna, you know, spend time on your page because they don't know anything about you. So what you do is you just get them to have a simple paragraph and something really interesting, and then you're gonna have a video. This is the biggest element of this page. And the whole point of a video, this is something that I've talked about it before, it even helps SEO. You know, this is not, we're not doing anything SEO related, but it helps SEO because it keeps people on the page. And this is going to do the same thing on your landing page. You know, it's going to keep people on the page for you. Okay, so it's going to keep them on the page. They're going to read this and they're going to be like, hey, yeah, let's watch this video. Even if they watch a minute and 2 minutes of it, it's just fine. You're still going to be good. All right, so there's a video, and then sometimes it depends on the product, depends on the video you have, you can add one more paragraph here or half a paragraph, something like that, and then you have a button here. That button is going to take them to page 2. Now again, the whole point is to get them to engage with a little bit of content and a good amount of video. You know, you don't want to have a 30-minute video here, but you just want to get them, to engage with you, with your page and content, and then you send them to page 2. Now this is where important things happen. Okay, so page 2 is much more simpler, but you have to have two things. First of all, you need to have another paragraph. Another headline. Now this headline is going to be same as this one, but let me actually correct that. It doesn't have to be same as the one before, but it has to follow the same theme. For example, let's say this one says lose weight in lose 10 pounds in 30 days. That's the headline. So your second headline says, here's how you can possibly lose 10 pounds in 30 days. So you just want to follow the same theme. You don't want to have the same headline because that's going to be a little bit weird and misleading, but you want to have the same template. You know, I'm going to show you examples so you're going to see exactly how this thing works in action, but you want to have the same headline here. And then you might have another paragraph. Again, it depends on the content. And what you do is you can use another image. Now we use the video here, we use the image here because we don't have to. And one of the things that I add usually on this page is, now this content, and there's going to be another paragraph. Now this content is really important. So what I do is, because they've watched this video, now they're kind of ready. They know, okay, what's going to happen, right? So this is where you do your pitch, okay? And this is where you do your why pitch. Now, this is really important. This is something that I've talked about before too. The why pitch is why they should actually buy the product. Yeah, your product's cool. It's gonna help them to solve the problem ABC, whatever, right? But why they should buy from you? Why shouldn't they do more research? Why shouldn't they just close the page? The answer to that is because you're giving them something valuable, more than just a product. You're giving them a bonus, something that is going to intrigue them to buy the product from you right now. Okay, so this is where you kind of give them extra content, maybe bonus. You can say, hey, if you buy the product, you're going to get a bonus. And we talk about how to actually deliver that bonus to people who buy ClickBank products inside Gold Masterclass. So that's another thing you can learn in there. So yeah, so you talk about, you do your pitch, you have some images. I don't recommend videos on the second page because that's just going to be too much. Okay, I use more images than anything else on second page. And then there's going to be a button that sends them to, this is going to be your affiliate link. Okay, so this is your affiliate link. So this is where how you send them to the product sales page where you make the sell. Okay, so this is the basic strategy. Again, this is one of the things that we talk about inside Gold Masterclass. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to take you to my computer, show you a simple example of this one, and then we're going to come back and talk more about this. Alright guys, so here's the template I was talking. Here's the page, I'm just going to show you this one as an example. As you see, there's the headline, exactly like the template I explained. There's a paragraph, and then there's a video. And because of, as I said, most of traffic that is coming to this page is really cold, like they really don't know anything about the product or the offer that I'm about to show them, offer that I'm about to pitch. It just gets straight to the point. Like I have the video here, and the whole point again of having video is to just get people to engage with your content. So it's really simple, right? The video keeps on the page, and then when you click on the button, that takes into the second page where I talk about the offer, the pitch, and then there's the product and everything. So the bonus is included, so they actually just get the bonus in there. But yeah, so this is the product. So I see it again. This is the headline that's related. Let me actually bring up this one. There you go. So how to teach your dog to obey every command you give, and then learn to train your dog fast and at home and save thousands of dollars. So these are related to each other, right? Because if someone wants to train their dog to save a lot of money, especially some specific dogs, they need like professional training, and if you have the time, you can just do it yourself with this product. That's why I promote this product. It's because it's a really good product, by the way. So yeah, so the first headline and the second headline related to each other. They want to save money, they want to train their dog fast and all that stuff. And yeah, so there's a picture, and yeah, so it takes people to the affiliate page. All right, so yeah, this is how it works. I mean, this is a really simple one. I get more advanced stuff because some of them I need to actually give the bonus, because for this particular product the bonus isn't included in it. But most of the products that you're going to promote, you need to actually give the bonus yourself to the buyer. So that's a whole different thing. All right, so yeah, this is how the strategy works. All right guys, so one more thing I want to add is you can get really creative with this. Okay, so this is not an opt-in page. You're not collecting leads with this, but there are ways to actually collect leads and data, and this is something you should be doing as an affiliate marketer. It's absolutely important to collect data because you're going to be using it. Now data can be anything. It can be the pixel, it can be again, leads, emails, and all that stuff. So one thing you can do is you can actually have people to instead of just sending them directly to this affiliate link, what you can do is you can have them click on this button, and then they're gonna have to put their name and email, and then they're gonna be redirected to the affiliate link, something like that, or you can actually add pixels, so you track information, you track them when they visit. For example, what you can do is you can add Facebook pixels to both of these pages, and let's say someone lands on this page 1 but they don't see the page 2, they don't visit the page 2. So what you can do is you can advertise this page 2, okay? You can advertise the page 2 on Facebook, so you can retarget them, show the people who saw your page 1 but didn't see your page 2, and kind of retarget them and show them ads so they continue going through your funnel. Okay, so there are a lot of cool things that you can do with this to actually just take the whole thing to the next level, and we talk more about it inside Gold Masterclass. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Let me know if you have any questions. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you're not a subscriber, and also like this video, share it with your friends. And again, let me know if you have any questions. All right, so by the way, I'm gonna make a video in future, in the next couple of days, about Gold Masterclass and Adversity, and Adversity partners, because that's really important. That's something that just came out and I really want to talk about it, but there's just so many things going on right now that I just don't have the time to make a good video talking about the Adversity Partners program and how it can help you to make big commissions, like $3,000, $2,000, $1,000 commissions as an affiliate. All right, so just make sure to subscribe if you're not a subscriber. I'm gonna make more videos about that stuff in future. So thank you so much for watching this video. Again, there's a link in the description that's gonna take you to the Gold Masterclass if you want to learn all these things in detail, and if you want to see me actually building these things right in front of you, that's where you see it. And another thing with affiliate marketing is that it's not just one strategy that makes you money. There are hundreds of different strategies, and every product has its own different strategy. Every product, every niche, every category has a different strategy. You gotta take different routes when it comes to promoting them. So you gotta learn all that stuff, and so you know exactly what to do when you find a product, what to do based on the product sales page, what to do based on the product category, and all that stuff. You need to figure out the strategy based on the product. All right, so, and that's one of the things that you learn inside Gold Masterclass, with all the details that I share in there. You're gonna see me, as I said, you're gonna see me building all these things in detail. All right, so thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.